For 12 years, she carried pain no one could see. 12 years of waiting, trying, hoping, and still nothing changed. People passed her by. Doctors had no answer. Her strength was fading, but her faith was not. Then one day, she heard that Jesus was near. She didn't push to the front. She didn't call his name. She whispered a simple belief in her heart. If I can just touch his garment, I will be healed. With trembling hands and a fragile hope, she reached through the crowd and touched the edge of his robe. In that instant, everything changed. Jesus turned and said, "Take heart, daughter, your faith has made you well." Not her strength, not her status, not her past, her faith. Sometimes faith is not loud. Sometimes it is a quiet decision inside your soul that says, "I still believe, even after all this time." And one small step of faith can open the door to a miracle you thought was impossible.